AutoInTouch video tutorial sessions, episode 6. In this episode we will talk about locating documents. There will be scenarios where you will need to recall an invoice, look for a job card, or find an estimate or quote in your database. And to do this we will use the Find a Document screen. Again, found in Workshop, we click Find a Document, and we can see all the documentation that has been created in AutoInTouch in date order, so from most recent to the originals. We can search by the document reference number. We can search by the vehicle registration. We can search by vehicle make. We can search by vehicle model, by customer account, by product code, to see, in this case, any document that has had an MOT, or by customer name, first or surname. As you can see from what I've shown, as soon as you begin to type, the system will start filtering. If we use vehicle registration first, we can put in the ZZZs to get us the 3 vehicles, but if we are looking for the Honda specifically, we can then add into the make Honda, and it will filter us down to our single job card. You can also filter down by technician to see who has worked on which documents. You can also filter down by the status of the document as to whether it is in progress, ready to invoice, or being allocated. And you can search by document types to find solely invoices. Or job